Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna do a paper helicopter. Yay! Okay, so first you need a paper. Yeah. And then you need a pencil, like you, any type of pencil, even if it has decoration like this. And then you need scissors, any type of scissors. And then if you want to make it cute and beautiful, you have these crayons. You can do any. And I did blue, purple, pink.
Unicorn colors again.
Okay, so first let's draw it. Okay, so let's do it. Whoa! Diana's gonna make a big one, and I'm gonna make a tiny one.
Okay, so that's how you open it. I'm using a marker.
Now you have to twist it full.
No, I already did.
No, you didn't.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Oh no, I need to erase some. Now the color, so I don't know how to color it. Let's start with purple.
I'm starting with blue.
Okay, so let's do this. Oh no, okay, that's not gonna work. That's definitely not gonna work. Okay, so if you couldn't see it, so we made a rectangle, and then we made these two lines and then a little gap, and then did that. Oh wait, and then we connect the bottom. It's not gonna be a helicopter. There. Where do you put the pencil? Okay. Okay, so I don't know why I'm using unicorn colors again. It's really weird. Oh no. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm gonna put. Oh, it's a pink's turn, not you. Oh no, that's messed up. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I'm not calm down still. I'm really sad.
I'm silly sad. That's silly.
Okay.
Okay, so
Now
how do we
let's
close
cut
this?
it.
How do we close this marker? Look, it's not closing.
Not closing.
So what? 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 Look. When I spin it, it's opening.
Okay, I'm focusing.
Look,
so
it's
Ayan has to talk.
Oh my gosh, look. It's not closing. Can you please closing? Hey, can you close it?
Oh yeah,
Hey.
baby.
There, finally.
Okay.
Oh
so-
no. Oh no, now I have to use red.
Okay, I'm scared about this. Okay, now let's do this. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm gonna fold it. Oh no, I think I'm gonna whip it. And I'm sad. Okay. I need a tissue so badly.
So who's gonna get it?
Nobody, because you're making a video. Somebody can please get a napkin for me.
I think the red is starting to do something. Can you see? Red is trying to do something, but if you can't see, I'm sorry.
Okay, now I just need the blue.
I just used the blue. You need blue marker. I thought you need blue thing.
Crayon?
Yeah.
No, I need this now. That one is not gonna work for this.
Oh no.
It's okay if I do it in this paper. Okay, now the last step, guys.
Okay, now it's time to cut.
It's the last one, guys. Now we have to do it this way. One this way. This a tiny bit.
Okay,
extra,
so
and then another one
I'm
this way.
behind right now, guys, but it's...
Let me see.
Okay.
That's not working.
Oh no, I did a mistake.
Okay, like that, guys.
Okay, so what do I have to do?
And then do this.
Why do I have a pen
With the
set?
opposite way, like that. And then if it's too much, do this. Voila! And then you made a helicopter. So after Ayana is done, we're gonna try it out because there's a tail right there. So, we're perfect. I'm perfect, but yes. Patience, please. Yeah. This is taking forever. He colored it for no reason.
Don't worry. I'll just finish this in a jiffy.
Okay, so if you didn't see it and you're like,
Oh no,
You're
don't
doing
see. I'm making a surprise, but
oh my god, I don't think this is gonna turn out well.
Okay,
If
so
it's not gonna work
this is
well,
not good.
guys.
Let's see if this works the perfect way, as always. For life.
This is gonna be really bad, guys. Really bad.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm almost there.
And the
but-
back is all.
Wait, what?
Sunny, maybe I'm gonna color it all red for some reason. Okay, don't worry about that. I'm scared. What if it does something wrong? Okay. If I don't want to do it, I'm not gonna finish it. Disaster. It's gonna be a disaster, guys. It's gonna be a disaster. Guys, I'm just gonna do squiggly lines like whatever.
I'm done.
No, you did. No. Wait. Why is it
Wait, I'm
not
not done.
So, yeah. Look. It's bad, right? Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na.
Okay, almost done. Now,
What? Wait, let me see if you can see it in the camera. Why is it not working in the camera? Is it the wrong way? Oh, yeah, it is. Okay. Sorry if you cannot see the bottom. It's weird.
oh
It's
no,
actually really weird.
I think mine is broken.
I'll help you.
Oh no. Maybe it's broken.
No, it's not. See? And then you need to do this and this. There.
Okay.
Now it's time to try it out, guys.
Yay!
So, okay.
Oh
1,
no.
2, 3, magic! Okay, now, bye guys. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, comment down below who you like better. Mine or mine. Now stand so bye. Now bye guys. Bye guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, comment something down below. And we'll for sure do this one. And thumbs up. Yay! And subscribe. And turn on the notification button. And we will see you guys Saturday after the break. Peace out, bro.